Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this device. First, let's press and hold the light button to open the shortcut menu. Once the menu appears on the screen, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the shortcut menu, as you can see. Now, select the option called Battery Saver, this one with the battery icon. And to enable the battery saver, press the GPS button, then press it again. Press the down button to scroll down. And once you're done, you should see that the battery saver is switched to on and the icon is not crossed anymore. And to disable the mode, you can simply open the shortcut menu again and press the GPS button again after you select, of course, the battery saver option to turn it off. Okay, we can also enable and disable this mode via settings. So we can press and hold the menu button, scroll down, select the power manager option, then press the GPS button, select the battery saver, press the GPS button, and here we have the status, and we can press the GPS to enable it. And then if you want to disable it, you can select the status and press the GPS to disable it. You can also scroll down and we have a couple more options right here. We can select edit, press the GPS, and here we can basically edit which functions are enabled and disabled when the do not disturb mode. My bad, power saving mode is enabled. And we have watch face, and we can change it to don't change. This will reduce the battery, low power, which will save more battery. Next we have phone, and we have disconnected. By default, it disconnects the phone from your watch if you enable the power saving mode, but if you can also select don't change, and it will change the basically reduce the battery life. Right here you have the estimated days of the battery life when the power saving mode is enabled, and it's gonna keep changing depending on which functions you enable or disable, as you can see. Like that. And once you're done customizing your settings, you can go back, and next we have during sleep, and here we can enable it or disable it. So basically, if you have the sleeping schedule set up in the app and your watch is paired with your phone, you can enable during sleep option, and it's gonna use the sleep time, and it's gonna turn on. It will basically automatically turn on the power saving mode while you're sleeping and turn it off when you wake up. Okay, and next we have low battery alert, and you can select it, press GPS, and here you can select when the watch should tell you that the battery is getting low. And then we have 12 hours, 1 day, 2 days, and stuff like that. Okay. And once you're done, of course, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to the watch face. And that's how you turn on and turn off the battery saver or power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.